Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up this jaw jacker. And we'll get started. I'm at a local pond today. I think I'll be trying to target some perch. I don't think they're massive, but I think you can get, with enough, you can get a good eating. Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Damn. Oh, I got something here. Oh, finally. Yes. Oh, I got one little perch. I'm actually probably gonna eat him. Caught on a little tungsten, gold tungsten. Sweet. Let's see if we can catch some more. I'm actually gonna eat that guy. So if I get some more, it'll be a good lunch tomorrow. They're a little bit stunted. Just a little bit stunted, so they're all gonna be small. So probably gonna do this little pond a favor by taking a couple out. That way they're not fighting each other for forage and food. Yeah, got one. Oh! he's bigger than the last one, I think. Oh, after being so finicky, finally caught my next one. Oh, a little bit more meat on this guy. So that's two. Oh, that has me so excited. There's still so many on the bottom, but so hard to catch. I'll see if I can catch another one here. Yes! Oh, this was a bigger fish here. Oh, it's a trout for sure. Something that pulls like this. Oh, the mark just came in really quick off the bottom. Oh yeah. Come on, stay on, stay on. Oh shoot, was not expecting that. Oh, it's huge. Yeah, ah, no, no, oh, oh, no, no, it was huge, it was huge. Oh, oh. Oh, no! Oh! No. Yeah. Oh! Yeah, I lost that tungsten. Ah! Dude, that was like at least a 24. Damn! Oh, got a fish chasing me up here. Yeah, here we go. Come on. Eat it. He just chased me all the way up. Oh, dang. Wait, he's coming back up. Coming back up. Yes! Oh, nice. Okay, third one on the board. Kind of a grind. Not bad. Okay, so I changed to a 3mm tungsten, like a lure tungsten, from like 5mm, and I finally got a fish. It was slow for like hours. Yes! Got you! Got you! Okay. I think there's... Wait. Oh, this guy's got some kind of growths and stuff on him. I was planning on eating this guy, but he has some kind of growths on him. So, definitely not eating him. Some kind of bumps. Putting him back on the water. There he goes. It was a long, tough day. It's very, very windy. I would say, yeah, right now it's about average around 25 kilometers an hour, which is quite a bit. It's supposed to be like plus 4 degrees, except it feels like negative 15 because it's the wind chill. And yeah, caught some perch, lost a really nice trout. Hopefully I'll get him next time. Okay, so right now it's about 5 p.m. now, end of the day for me. So I'm going to call it a day. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, take care of yourself, take care of your